everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. And today's project, we're going to be making these cute pumpkins, and these are made from the donut sets from Poundland, and you'll find these in the hair section, and also some wool from Poundland. The only thing that's not from Poundland is the cinnamon stick and some of this straw stuff, but you can find them in most craft stores. So I've made one here, as you can see, and I absolutely love it. And as you can see, I've added some of the straw and then a cinnamon stick for the stem bit. That's what it looks like on the bottom. Not perfect, but you're not going to see that, but I just love that and think it's really cute. So these are the wools that I got from Poundland, but I actually got this one from Poundland probably last year, and I'm going to be using this one. Okay, so as you can see, I have my wool cut ready here, and I'm going to insert a video now of how I did this. So as you can see, I got the wool and I wrapped it around my fingers and I holded it in place, and then I went under the elbow, back round my fingers, under the elbow, back through the fingers, and so on. And you just keep repeating that process as much as you want. I probably did that about 10 times, maybe even more than that. And then we take that off our arm and we will cut that in half, and you will end up with a bunch of different lengths of wool. And you'll probably need to repeat that process 2 or 3 times to be able to cover your donut. Now what we need to do is we need to wrap this around our donut. So we are going to thread it through the middle to the back, and we're going to leave about this much on the back, okay? And then what we're going to do is I'm going to take that one out because that one's a bit too short. If you find any that's too short, just pull them ones out. So like I said, you're going to thread it through that hole, leave some through the back, and then this one is what we're going to be threading it through. So we need to wrap it around and bring it back through the hole like so, and then just keep going round like this. Okay, then we're going to bring this to the back, and I'm going to start with another one. Okay, and like I said, you'll have to probably repeat that 3 times, and then we're just going to try and keep this all bunched up at the back. So again, I'm going to do this one with you, and then I'll carry on with the other one off camera. We can just tidy it up a little bit, making sure that everything looks about right, and it does. So you'll repeat that with your third one. So yeah, I think you'll be needing 3 lots of strands of wool like this, okay, to get round your donut. So I'm going to do the other one off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, so there we go. And we are going to come to the back, and as you can see, we've got all this wool, and the easiest way I found was to trim some of this off, because otherwise it will make your pumpkin quite bulky in the middle, and all this wool will get tucked behind like that, and it will all get glued down, and then this bit here will all get pushed down with your cinnamon stick or whatever decoration you want to put in there. So I'm just going to get my hot glue gun, and I'm just simply going to place lots of glue in there, and I'm just having a look to see if I've got something to push it down with, because I don't want to ruin my nails because I've just done them. So okay, I'm going to try and just do it with my fingers instead of getting my nails in that glue because I've just done them. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to add a bit more glue to that. Okay, so there we go. So if you find any loose bits, just put more glue in and just press it down. If you don't want to see this bit where it's a bit messy on the bottom, you could probably add a bit of felt or something like that, but I'm not fussed because I'm not going to see it. So all we need to do now is just add a stem, and I'm going to also add some of this like straw stuff, and I'm going to place some in the middle. So I'm going to add some hot glue in there, pop that in the center, again add some more hot glue, and then add this cinnamon stick in there, and I'm going to just place it at an angle and hold that in place. And there we go. How cute are they? I absolutely love these, and perfect for your autumn decoration. So there we go, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go, and if you enjoyed it, then give it a big thumbs up, and as always, please continue to subscribe to my channel, and until next time, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye.